we will use the WH questions. What are the WH questions? No, mga WH questions. Pero may WH questions na exam is why? 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 Kasi ang why, it can be improvised explanation. While and what, when, and where. One question, one answer. One question into a specific and direct answer. For example, who is the national hero? Yes, given na. Waray ibang answer.
May kuan, Miko. Miko di ka doon.
No, biography. Okay. That's why you need to choose kung traditional or interpretive approach ang imo gagastunon. Yes, why and how. Pag traditional, what, when, who. One question, one specific answer. One question, one direct answer. Waray ibang answer paliban kakadto kasi given an answer when it comes to election. For example, who is the national hero? When is kami namatay? When? Died.
December 30,
What happened?
1990.
Wala nang ibang answer.
1986.
But when it comes to interpretive, we will use the question why and how because it provides explanation. How he died?
1890.
Alam mo, ay di ba nakatiya mga
Yun doon
Why
yung
is
upper ko.
kaya kumunan niya mga
Overs and wrong accused. So, may explanation, kailangan explanation how and why. When it comes to how and why question, hindi pwedeng na one answer, one word lang in So, life history. What do you mean by life history? Personal life, individual history. So, example of this is and life of Christ. Yes. So, if you're going to do historical research, how will you choose a participant or how will you choose a subject? Kailangan ba popular, famous? Consulta ako na average person lang. Pwede? Why? Yes. Depende ang topic. Depende ang focus at yung subject. Yes. So, bisan hindi mo tao ang imong subject, ang imong topic could be basta hindi mo siya dito. So, ang iya life history, ang iya biography is you will write it as a past or a life history. So, first, what is the difference between local and oral history? Okay. Susunod talaga bisan mga story na laya. At local at
Yabong history.
Tutumbang ka lang, malapit na. Another idea. Ha? Alam mo, green nagpapakalma ako. So, what do you mean? What is the difference between local and oral history? What Gotcha!
Thank you for that wonderful question.
At isa.
I firmly believe that the difference between the local and the art is
Wow.
I think the local history more on focus on specific towns like local places like in that the towns, while the oral history more on focus on preserving interviews to different people.
Nag-review ko ano? Paksa! So, local history means we are doing history about a place, about a town. Paano nga ba nagsimula itong town na ito o lugar na ito? Bakit pinangalanan siyang ganito? Bakit siya naging Katbalogan? For example, bakit siya naging Katbalogan? Sino yung nagtatag nito? Paano siya naganap? Paano siya nagbuo? Paano siya nag-evolve? Paano siya nagbago? May nagbago. And then, oral history, it is, sabi niya kanina, is interviews. Ini-interview natin, we are talking about a life of a person. Yung yan, oral history, sa local history is yung lugar. Sa oral history, yung tao na nakatira sa lugar na to. Ini-interview natin yung, so pag-try niya, yung mga ko na natin yung experiences. Yes? Yes, kasi niraan more experience. Okay, resident. That's the difference between those minds and oral. Okay, ina-justify nila yung natin. So, okay, please read. Local history is the study of the history of a particular community or a small unit of geography. Oral history is important in written sources, historical documents, and other materials and evidences. So it's the highlight of oral history is interviews. Doing interviews. So, interacting with history, historical shrines and museums, and collect, preserve, and defend, display objects, represent cultural and scientific significance for the education of the public. What is the museum, right? Kaya example of museum. What is the museum? Ano nga na ako museum? Hindi ako malawa kasi museum.
Yes! Big set lang mo.
Ano ang iko-collect ang museum? Now, ano naman ang shrine? Yes, parang video. Parang whatever. Yes. So, again, this is sa museum, the National Museum. Pero pala cover. And this is the sample kasi this is where and then there is the shrines. Why? Kasi yung ganap nun, sinadala naman sa yes. Hindi nagkanap ang ends up with the power of yes. So, yes. Okay, ako na lang kay last time. So, interacting with history, historical shrines, historical shrines,
Di pa paulan?
and when you visit a shrine or museum, kasi hindi basta-basta. Of course, for example, when you go to a museum, may mga objects na dere mo pwede record. May mga actions na dere mo pwede himuon. Kasi it's very, kung kasi
Kuan naman ko. Kuan naman ko. Kuan. Diyan tayo dawan ko. Ay, be. Lagi daw. Alpang ko.
Guys, nakakatawa.
Ambot, be. Uy, sandek.
Dapat naka-capital letters.
Miguel, arway daw ko, Gil. Miguel.
Sino may pulpen pa mga
Miguel, arway daw ko.